Happy New Year's Day. We're getting into the water on New Year's. Didn't make it to Virginia, sadly, but at least we're here. It's kind of, I was like, I really like, even if it's, oh my, did you see the kayaker? He just got a fat wave. Yeah, no, we're just gonna, I guess, be recording for the 20 minutes. We're getting in. Like,
Heavy.
look at that stuff.